Hey guys, the Last Dog Miner here, and today we are working on code blocks. Now what code blocks is a CC program. It's a C++ programmer with, it has automatic builds, and then it has INE, I'm fairly sure. It has compilers and INE, which, builds it. Once I find the one where it actually explains it, then I'll tell you. Okay. Getting the tools. Okay, you need an IDE, an integrated development environment, which is what CodeBlocks itself is, then a compiler, which is what GNU GCC is. Yeah. Now, I'm past the basic concepts. I'm on to conditionals and loops on this. Well, it's also a website called SoloLearn. But I use the app because both don't stay in sync for some reason. Like the website stays in sync with the app. I'm planning on doing C++, then HTML, which is like the pictures and everything, then JavaScript tells it how to work. Say you need, okay, so here, changing website content. I guess it means on Monday it shows one picture, on Tuesday it shows another picture, and so forth and so on. Java, then we'll move on to Java, which is automatic video games. Everybody knows Java is video games. And then I'll probably have to learn some of these eventually. And then maybe this. Now for what I'm working on currently, the C++, you click on this, it loads up all of this. I am past basic concepts. You have to go through all of these and get to the Module 1 quiz. Now, once you do that, you get to this, and then once you take the Module 2, you go to this, and take the Module 3 quiz, then you do this, and then you have to challenge somebody. Yeah, I'm doing this on my phone, but I can probably do it on my computer at the same time, so I'm just gonna minimize both of these so that they overlap somewhat. Third program, the while loop. Now this is what it automatically does, but that's the most basic one. The while loop, a loop repeatedly executes a set of statements until a particular statement or particular condition is satisfied. A while loop statement repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition remains true. So while condition statement. So it's like while moving it's like for Pokemon Go it would be like while moving statement, and then it would be like coup, or not coup, the other one. Sorry, I have to look at this. Basic concepts, program test. If I open this and check it out, this is awesome. Okay, yeah, that's not what I needed. Oh, comments. I'm fairly sure that's it. Prints, coup, hello world, return. Oh no, these are comments. Right. Jeez, I'm already forgetting. New line, variables, basic. Okay, I'm going to go back to the basic and see which ones. Variables. Int, no. Jeez. Nope. Q, yeah. Q again. Q again. The NN. Da da da. Now this is comments that automatically does that. Variable. Oh, here we go. I think int my variable equals that. Q. Sum. Q again. Gosh darn it. There's somewhere in here. Sin. Here we go. Used to read from the standard input device. So like, once working with variables. Okay, so open that. And it's like int sum q, please enter number, and basically it's easier to show this. You type 6, and then you type 2, the sum is 8. So sin is like user input. So back here, so while condition sin, or q, then like, are you passenger or driving? Are you a passenger? Sin, sin yes, or if yes, or it's sin, then the condition, if condition equals yes, and the condition would be passenger. So it's like, it's easier to show here, hold on. Int for integer, int driving, int passenger, int stop, I guess. So it's like, are you, if driving equals yes, well, it would be if speed equals, then if driving equals yes. Q, are you a passenger, blah blah blah. Yeah? Yes.
What are you doing?
Recording.
You're using the bandwidth?
Yes. Can you close my door? For fuck's sake. Enter a number. And then it does that. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so 4, 5, 9. Automatic, and now I can close that and go back to the while loop. Okay. At the point when the condition becomes false, the program is shifted to the line that immediately follows the loop. So like, okay, I guess I have to select this and delete. While, let's say, while driving equals yes, Q, are you a passenger? End line. Sin, or no, extraction, driving, or no, this would be passenger. Int driving passenger, if passenger equals yes, I'm just going to put continue driving. Yeah, continue. Else stop. Right? Because it stops the program. Yeah, that's how Pokemon Go would work. Now I'm going to go and do the actual thing, because that is not the actual thing that I'm supposed to do currently. So let me just delete all this. That will go there. While bacon is greater than or less than 5 Q text. That. Okay, here we go. Int num equals 1. While num is less than 6. Q number num and L. Num equals num plus 1. It'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then once it gets to 6, it'll stop. Oh, I forgot to add the semicolon there, because if you don't, it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it stops because it's gotten to 6, therefore no longer being less than 6. But if you made that a less than or equal to, it would say up to 6, but let's leave it at that. The example above declares a variable equal to 1, while the while loop it checks the condition and then executes statements which increment the value of num by 1 each time. After the 5th iteration, it becomes 6, and it is now false. Less than 6 is now false, and the loop stops running. So easy way to cheat on a math text. Wait, hold on. No, yeah. Oh, that's supposed to be a while, anyways, not Q. While x equals x plus 1. Yeah, I'm gonna go close my door for a second. Hold on. Yeah, so my Launchpad, as we get onto that topic again, Guitar Center, and then I have to search Novation RGB. Novation RGB, and it comes with Ableton Live, but you have to pay for that's automatically free. To get the higher ones, which I need, I'd have to pay like 100, 200, whatnot. This is it's plug into the computer, and then you can hold the sides so that you can like just press the buttons as if it were a tablet, but I'd probably have it set down on something and be pressing it. Now there's also the launch key. Now what the launch key does is like it's a synthesizer. This is for like drums, guitar, and whatnot. This could do guitar as well, but it's not really meant for drums. Launchpad Mini Mark II. It's basically the same, except I'd like to have the RGB. Basically, it has more colors. It also supports the Novation Launchpad app, so you can use its RGB pads with your iPad too. Oh. powered USB hub and camera connection kit or USB camera adapter required for use with iOS devices. Use the grid to play drums and samples. Yeah. It's lightweight and it's tough. It will not break, so. Okay, features. It's in the box. Launchpad, orange USB cable, getting started guide, Ableton Live Lite registration card, safety information, included software, light music making software. I'm guessing it's a CD, 1 GB of loop masters and whatnot. Base station, V station, compatibility is Mac, Windows 8 is what I use. iOS, I have an Android, so I can't use that, unfortunately. 64 8x8 grid square black backlit buttons. I'm guessing this also works with 10. I'm hoping it does, because we're getting a new laptop to go with this. Yes? I'm recording.
Well, tell them. We have today, that's it.
I know.
If we wait, then they're going to be closed again.
Okay, then let's go. Friggin'. Well, I was trying to get through an entire lesson, but...
The while loop? Oh, okay. If, and, but, while. Oh, I remember that from programming. Are you learning that now?
Sort of.
While condition 1 exists, you do this. Otherwise, you do something else.
Well, not really.
It's if, and, but. I remember all that.
Okay, so that has been an entire thing, so hope y'all enjoyed. See y'all next time. Bye.